Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin over the weekend usually trades in low volume. That's why we often see the price range until late Sunday evening. Once again, the market tested the yellow 109.3K line, but it wasn't able to break or push through that level. In yesterday's video, I mentioned a potential long entry that depends on confirmation from the 21 EMA crossing the 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart. So far, that crossover hasn't happened. From peak to trough, we've seen a drop of 4.61%, which could be enough for a bounce. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, we see that two hot zones were wiped out during the recent move down, but the 106.6K level remains untouched. To the upside, there's a beautiful cluster of liquidity sitting between 112,000 and 112.7 That pocket could act as a magnet if the price pushes above 109.3 thousand. Personally, I'm still in a long position. I continue to believe that we could move significantly higher over the next 30 to 60 days, as I explained in another recent video. There's not much major news today, but that whale trader I talked about yesterday, the one with the 40x long worth 1.2 billion, closed his trade in a loss. He got rejected again at 109.3K and started selling at 108.5K, closing out at 107.1K. His average entry was 109,190. Honestly, it looked like he wasn't planning to hold that position long term. Maybe he just enjoyed the attention. Interestingly, most exchanges didn't even dip to 107.1K. The bottom was closer to 107.2K. Right now, we're trading around 108.2 thousand. ETF inflow data from Friday just got published, and the numbers are impressive once again. BlackRock led with 430.8 million in inflows. That brought the total to 211.7 million. Despite medium-sized outflows from Grayscale, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. I'll keep you updated with fresh analysis every day. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.